Checkify Product Research Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. In this video, we'll be reviewing Checkify, a product research tool designed specifically for dropshippers. We'll dive into its key features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's a tool worth using to scale your business. Checkify is designed to simplify product research for dropshippers by helping you identify trending, profitable products that can be sold online. It provides access to real-time data and analytics, making it easy to spot emerging trends and evaluate potential products based on key performance metrics. Whether you're new to dropshipping or a seasoned seller, Checkify is built to help you make data-driven decisions that will increase your chances of success. Key features: trending products. Checkify constantly updates its product database with trending products across various niches, so you can find the latest hot-selling items to add to your store. Sales and profitability metrics. For each product, Checkify provides detailed information on sales volume, profit margins, competition, and demand, allowing you to assess the potential of each item before selling. Competitor analysis. Checkify gives you insights into what your competitors are doing, including which products they're selling, how well they're performing, and their pricing strategy. Product filtering. The tool has advanced filters that allow you to sort products by various criteria, including price range, shipping location, and customer ratings, making it easy to find products that fit your niche. Real-time data. Checkify's real-time data helps you stay ahead of market trends, so you can quickly adapt and find the best products to sell at any given moment. One-click import. For Shopify users, Checkify offers a seamless integration that allows you to import products directly to your store with a single click. Who is it for? Checkify is perfect for dropshippers who want to simplify product research and make data-backed decisions. It's especially helpful for those looking to find trending products quickly and efficiently without spending hours on research. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: real-time data, competitor analysis, product filtering, easy Shopify integration. Weaknesses: may have a limited database compared to some larger tools, and its features are best suited for Shopify users. Final verdict: Checkify is a solid choice for dropshippers looking to streamline their product research. With its real-time data, competitor analysis, and simple interface, it's a tool that can help you find profitable products fast. While it's more tailored for Shopify users, it offers great value for those looking to make data-driven decisions. Check the links in the description to learn more and start using Checkify today.